Welcome to Cooking with Joy, where cooking is simple. Do you know in 1921, Walter Anderson found White Castle, the oldest burger chain in Wichita, Kansas. Americans consume 13 billion hamburgers a year, enough to circle the earth 32 times. So today, I want to share how to make my ultimate and unique
The BEEFKEY.
You will need ground beef, ground turkey, bacon, shrimp, blue cheese, pepper jack, mozzarella, cheddar, arugula, onions, tomatoes, mayo, mustard, Dijon, salt, pepper, garlic, soy sauce, brown sugar, 1/2 teaspoon. Marinate your beef with salt, pepper, garlic. Marinate shrimp with brown sugar and soy sauce. You will need to put oil in there, and once you did, you will put the beef in there. And also the turkey. So yeah, you need to put oil in there. Then, when you did, you put the shrimp in there. You will need to put mayonnaise in there. Then put the blue cheese in there. Then the beef. You will need mozzarella cheese, then the spicy ketchup, you will need to add the bacon in there. Then put the shrimp there. Then add this hot sauce. Then add the cheddar cheese. Then add the turkey. Then you need to put this there. Then you do this. Yeah. Then you put this there. finally, the final moment. We on Cooking with Joy want to congratulate all dads. Happy Father's Day. I know this hamburger is for my dad. We hope you enjoy this recipe. Please click the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon for notification. Thank you and see you next time on Cooking with Joy.